In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Soundation, start a project, and use the virtual keyboard. Let's begin by heading to soundation.com in your web browser. On the homepage, look for the Login button and click it. You'll be prompted to choose your account, which simply means selecting the sign-in option you use for this platform. Go ahead and pick your account and complete the login process. If you're returning after some time away, this step ensures you're signed in so your work syncs properly and your existing projects are easy to access. Once you're in, you can either create a new project or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, choose the option to create a project to get a blank workspace where you can add instruments and sounds. If you already have something in progress, open that project so you can continue exactly where you left off. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the correct project helps you avoid accidentally editing the wrong file. You should now see the Soundation Studio interface with your timeline and tracks ready to go. Now let's bring up the virtual keyboard so you can play and audition sounds without a physical MIDI controller. There are two ways to do this. The quickest is the shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and K. On Mac, press Command and K. Think of this shortcut as a toggle, so using it again will hide the keyboard when you're done. If you prefer clicking, look for the virtual keyboard icon in the toolbar and select it. The keyboard will appear on screen, letting you play notes using your computer keys or by clicking directly on the keys. This virtual keyboard is perfect for quickly sketching ideas, checking how an instrument patch sounds, or laying down a simple melody. If the keys don't respond right away, make sure the studio window is active and that your project tab is selected. You can also keep the keyboard open while you switch instruments, which is handy for comparing sounds on the fly. And remember, if the keyboard is taking up space and you need a clearer view of your tracks, just use the same shortcut or click the icon again to hide it instantly. That's it. You logged in, opened or created a project, and brought up the virtual keyboard using either Ctrl or Command plus K, or the toolbar icon. Follow these steps anytime you want to jump in quickly and start making music with ease.